right, next up is Solana Networks, and to talk about their network discovery tool is President Nabil Seddigh.
Hello, everybody. It's always interesting going after lunch, but hopefully you're all awake. I was just, earlier on in the day, was surprised to see so many familiar faces in the room. And one of the familiar faces was an old manager of mine, actually my first R&D manager out of school, John Luschek, who I can't see him in the audience. But in those days, we were building DPN, which was X25 data switches. So if I reflect on how far we've come from the time when networks were really a niche play in society and made a niche contribution to the running of society, to today when networks are essentially a very important part of everything that we do. Networks are essentially like the utilities. You cannot do without it. And so the question now becomes, how does Solana fit into this? What is Solana's role in this domain? Solana provides tools and products that help folks who run networks to do their job better. So we essentially provide visibility into network infrastructure and into network traffic. This is, in a nutshell, what Solana does. So the specific thing that we want to talk about today is one of our products called Smart Hawk. Think of a hawk, a bird that's watching the network. And Smart Hawk is a product that we deployed here with CENGN, so we're very grateful for that opportunity to be able to prove the capability of Smart Hawk on the CENGN platform, and also to build some business relationships with certain partners within CENGN. So what is Smart Hawk? What does it do? Essentially, Smart Hawk at the core discovers the topology, the network map. It discovers what the network looks like, and it provides visibility into the way that traffic moves around in the network, the routing dynamics. It's deployed, and our customers are within enterprise, within service providers, and within the government networks as well. So what are the use cases where network topology is used? It's used for many different things, but it's used for network planning, it's used for network troubleshooting, and more recently, it's also used in the area of cybersecurity, a hugely important arena. When we look at it, one may think, how hard is it to figure out what the network looks like? How hard is it to figure out what the network topology is like? I don't have a lot of time to go into detail why it's difficult, but Solana's claim to fame is essentially that it can discover a highly accurate network topology. It's not easy to do. Many solutions can only reach 60 or 70% accuracy. We strive to take that to 90 to 100% in certain environments. It's very fast in the way it discovers a network topology, allowing you to do things quickly. And finally, it's vendor agnostic. So I've also run out of time. So if anybody is interested in learning more about Smart Hawk, please come and talk to us afterwards. Thank you.